What's up guys, I'm Andy from 1A Auto. In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the washer fluid reservoir on this 2001 BMW 325Xi. If you need parts for your vehicle, click the link in the description and head over to 1aauto.com. I'm going to take a 10mm socket and a ratchet, take this bolt out. Just grab the reservoir and just shake it back and forth a little bit as you slide it up. Disconnect the connector right here. Slide that out. And we can also, there's a little cover right here. Just pop that off right there. Disconnect this connector. Push that button, slide that up. You can disconnect the hose right there. I do have a drain bucket underneath, so I can catch the wash fluid that drains out. When I just slide this line off, just put my finger over the hole, I can slide it out. First, we're going to hook up the washer fluid hose. Get that lined up first. Oops. Push that on. Make sure it's all the way on. We're going to take this little cover here. This is going to slide in position right there. And lock it in place. Just like that. Take the electrical connector, lock that in. Take the level sensor connector, lock that in right here. And then there's these 2 feet. They're gonna slide through those little slots right there. Slide those 2 in there. And you might have to wiggle it back and forth a little bit. All right, that's all the way down. Take this 10mm screw. Take the 10mm socket and a ratchet. Tighten this down. Just snug. Now take your washer fluid, open the cap, pour your washer fluid in, and then you'll be good to go.
Thanks for watching. If you want the parts to do it yourself, check out 1aauto.com, the place for DIY auto repair.